Smart Communications Mobile Operator Review, Usage Experience. Links to Smart Communications plans and services are in the description. Smart Communications is one of the leading mobile operators in the Philippines, offering prepaid and postpaid plans with competitive pricing, strong coverage, and data-centric options. It's designed for users who prioritize fast internet speeds, extensive coverage, and various promos tailored to different needs. Smart provides 5G, LTE, and 3G connectivity, ensuring a stable connection in most urban and rural areas. The network is especially beneficial for heavy data users, remote workers, and travelers looking for reliable service. Their prepaid options include affordable load promos with unlimited calls, texts, and generous data allocations. Meanwhile, postpaid plans offer premium services, including unlimited data bundles and handset deals. Smart's GigaLife app allows users to track usage, purchase promos, and manage accounts easily. Compared to competitors, Smart's 5G speeds are among the fastest in the country, making it an excellent choice for streaming, gaming, and video calls. However, network performance may vary in some remote areas. Customer service is accessible through various channels, including social media and their app, though response times can sometimes be slow. Overall, Smart Communications is a strong choice for users seeking fast and reliable mobile connectivity with flexible plans. If you need a network with strong data performance and wide coverage, Smart is worth considering. Check the links in the description for the latest plans and promos.